everybody, welcome back to Donut Gaming. Today I went to the shops and let's unbox what I got. So the first thing I got is this set, and it has a body wash, a cream, and a perfume, and it's Jet Set, and it's 40, so the red one. And then I was only supposed to get this, but then yeah. So this is 71, and it's my favorite scent. And it's caramelized vanilla and macadamia. And it smells sort of like chocolate. So let's open it. Oh my gosh, it's so hard to open. Okay, a big plastic chunk just came out. Listen to that ASMR. It smells like chocolate, literally. The lid back on. Okay. Now let's unbox the 40 Jet Set. And I went to Mecca to get this. Okay, this is, I have no idea how to pronounce that, but it's the 40 cream. Oh my goodness, look at that. And let's try it on. It's like hand cream, but it's like small because it's a Jet Set. It smells really, really, really good. Put it back now. Oops. Okay, now for the perfume. I've only smelled this one of the 40 set, so I don't know how the 40 perfume smells like. My hands are like slippery because of that. That smells like the cream, that's good. And then the body wash. I don't know how to open this either. That's how it looks like. You have to open the seal, but I'll do that a bit later. And it's like small and it's like so convenient. And then you just put it in this little pack and then you go on a jet. Okay, so this is everything I've got. And this is my Mecca shopping. Thank you for watching. Bye.